Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. The chapter number 2 of our amazing book on short tricks is going on, and this chapter is entitled Magic Multiplication Tricks. Talking about tricks, there are huge number of tricks and YouTube has scattered videos. So if you want a compilation of those tricks, you just send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the number 9896369963. If you are messaging from outside India, the country code is +91. The description also contains this WhatsApp number. So, what do we have in this video? We are going to multiply the numbers which are near to a common base, like both the numbers near to 100 or near to 1000 or 10,000. You can actually multiply them very quickly using Vedic maths. So let's see what is the concept of the trick. What do we have to do in the trick? Now suppose we consider that two numbers have a base, say 100, and both the numbers are either below 100 or above 100. So let's take two numbers as 94 times 96. Now very easy to do this. What is the concept used in the trick? See, base 100 means both the numbers are near to 100. Both of them are below 100 here and both of them are above 100, like if you do 108 times 112, both the numbers are above 100. Now, sometimes one number can be above 100 and one can be below 100. We have a separate trick for that also. So, for the time being, I am going to consider these type of numbers. Now, what do you do here? Now suppose I am doing 94 and 96 multiplication. So I will write it like this, and now because both of them are close to 100, 100 minus 94, that means the deficit. How much is 94 less than 100 is just 6, right? And 100 minus 96 is just 4. So I just need the deficits, or in this case the excess. That means how much is 108 above 100. If I know these and I know 6 times 4 is 24, I have two digits here. Now if the deficits multiply together to give a single digit number, I will prefix a 0. Why? Because I need two digits on the right side of this line, because the base contains two zeros. Now this is the important concept. Now the other part, either subtract like this or subtract like this, you will get the same quantity. 94 minus 4 is 90, 96 minus 6 is again 90, and so the answer is 9024, right? So I hope you have understood what we have to do, and we can very quickly now practice 5 or 6 questions to get through this method really quickly. So here we have 97 times 91. So what do? Both the numbers are close to 100. 100 minus 97 is 3. 100 minus 91 is 9. And when you multiply these two, you get a two-digit number. 9 3s are 27. Just subtract like this or subtract like this, whichever is easier for you to do. 91 minus 3 is 88, right? And so 8827 happens to be the correct answer for this. Likewise, same here, the two numbers are close to 100 and both of them are below 100. So what are the deficits? This is 11 less than 100 and this is 7 less than 100. When you multiply these two, you get 77, and just subtract like this or like this, you get 82. So 8277 is the product. Now let's complicate the problem. Here we have the two numbers which have the base 1000, because they are very close to 1000. So 996 multiplied by 988. How much is the deficit? This is 4 less than 1000 and this is 12 less than 1000. Now remember, 1000 has 3 zeros, so we need 3 digits here, and 12 times 4 is just 48. So I have to prefix a 0 here. This is important. If you fall short of digits, then you have to prefix zeros. Subtract like this or subtract like this. 988 minus 4 is easier, that is 984, and you have the answer 984048. If the numbers are above the base number, like both the numbers are very close to 100, but they are above 100, so what do we do here? The method doesn't change. If you do 100 minus this, you get negative 4. If you do 100 minus this, you get negative 8. Both numbers are close to 100, so I need 2 digits here. When you multiply minus 4 by minus 8, you get 32, which is a 2-digit number. And now, when you subtract like this or like this, actually the numbers get added because this is already negative. So 108 minus minus 4 is 112, and that gives me the product 11232. Likewise, if you have a different base, like here we have 1000. So do one more question here, 107 and 112, very easy. This is 100 minus this is negative 7, 100 minus this is negative 12, 12 sevens are 84, and it is a 2-digit number, and the base is also 100, so only 2 digits were required. Now subtract like this, you get 112 plus 7, which is 119. The product is 11984. Final example, 1015 times 1003. Now if you check, the base is 1000, so you need 3 digits here. That is one of the very important parts, because most of the students who know this trick, they commit this error only. They don't write accurate number of digits on the right of this vertical line. So if you subtract this from 1000, you get negative 15, and subtract this from 1000, you get negative 3. When you multiply these two, you get positive 45, and positive 45 is to be written here prefixed by a 0. This is the important part. And once you subtract like this or subtract like this, you get the remaining part. 1015 plus 3 becomes 1018. So the product of these two numbers is 1018045. See how easy the trick is, and how wonderfully Vedic maths gives us these methods to multiply numbers near a common base. So friends, I hope you have understood this. And if you like it, do subscribe our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and along with the subscribe button, you find this bell shaped icon. Hit that bell shaped icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. If you like the content, do click the like button, and as soon as you click the like button, you get the option of hyping the video. So if you hype the video, it has greater chances of reaching the audiences. So friends, I hope you will practice this method of the base number multiplication, and let me know in the comments whether this actually worked for you or not. All the best.